Model 2018 Fiat Ducato Euro 6.3.5 Maxi medium wheelbase, diesel 2.3 multijet dropside 130 body, white, flatbed mileage 124698 MOT. The 28th of August 2024 engine 2287 cc F1 AGL 411D transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts on easy start. Runs perfect on easy start. ECU needs replacing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 0 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, 7,500.